is the Irish Gambit in chess, and let's go through the moves right quick. The move starts off with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6. Looks very familiar, right? And then doing the Irish Gambit, you do the move knight takes on e5. You wouldn't think that this move was actually a good move to do, which it still isn't a good move to do because your opponent could just take that knight. But I guess there has been one master game that has played this way, which white has actually won. Doing the move d4, knight c6, knight c3, and then they continued on to win the game. So if you want to try out the Irish Gambit, you can, but this seems like a pretty hopeless opening, especially if you're playing somebody really good. Why would you? And actually, one other thing, on Wikipedia, this is called the Chicago Gambit. Tell me which name that you like more, the Irish Gambit or the Chicago Gambit?